Hello, hello, hello. We are back with another Cruisin' with Corey here on Saturday, June 15th. We got a nice glorious day, sunny day, about 75 degrees.
Sunny and 75.
And we already got our first order. It is right here. It is a Stop and Shop, which is another kind of a Northeast grocery chain here. 5 items going. It says 6 miles, but it's probably closer to 2.5 when I actually get to the store. So we are basically there now, so let's go. Nice and quick shop. On our way to the car, on our way to the customer. Let's go. Feels like I'm hugging a bag now because I'm trying to hold everything, but we're here, so let's go. Alright, let's go get the next one. Alright, we just took our second order of the day. It's a Doordash Saturday, evidently. We just got this Dunkin' order, 6 for 2. We're about a mile from Dunkin', so it's probably only about a mile from the restaurant. I mean, Dunkin', not really a restaurant, but I guess it is. So yeah, we're basically already here looking at it. It's not too big, so they should probably have it ready. I know this store pretty well, and I'd say about 80% of the time the order is ready, so we're basically already here. So let's go make $6.50. Usually my bar is $7, but you know, we're being open to things today. We're expanding our horizons today. We're taking the lower orders. I probably won't continue, but let's go. Alright, only had to wait about 15 seconds, so it's well within my abilities to do so. So, got about a 4-minute drive to the customer, so let's go. That's my attempt at a transition. It probably didn't work, but either way, we're at the customer's house, so let's drop it off. Alright, on to next. Alright, so we just accepted this order here. It's a Starbucks Doordash order, 8 for 3, so can't complain about that. It's a really slow day for grocery. There's not really been a lot of Walmart orders. Past few Saturdays, we've had some bangers. We got nothing here today. Saw a couple shops come up, but it's, you know, basically no tip, 15, 20 items. If I'm gonna do a no tip shop, it can't be for that many items. So we're basically already at Starbucks. It's in the plaza that we are already in, so let's go get it. Holy crap, I've never been in and out that fast before.
Giggity, giggity, giggity.
But yeah, Starbucks was ready for an order that's actually good on a Saturday to be ready. There's something going on today because it is dead. Starbucks, Saturday, 9 o'clock, usually everyone and their mother is out. But it was dead in there, and Walmart is dead. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe everybody's having a hangover because our Boston Celtics just got beat by 40 points in Game 3 of the NBA Final. He's tired and cranky and not ordering anything. Highly doubt that, but that's how I would feel. But yeah, we're about 10 minutes away, 5 minutes away. Let's just stop talking and get to the customer. Who am I right now? Like, who am I right now Why did I take this? Okay, dollars to miles wise, it's fine. Dollars to Lyles miles? Dollars to Wiles miles? Is that what I just said?
Bruh.
Dollars to miles wise, it's not bad, but I never take orders that pay that little. It's Starbucks. They were ready, so my assumption is they're ready again. Maybe because the miles to dollar ratio. I don't know why I can't talk today. Maybe it'll have a hidden tip, but we're not getting anything from Walmart today. And the Instacarts are like all literally from grocery stores like 30 miles away. Or they just are terrible. Like I'm not going to a grocery store 4 towns over for $13, and I'm not going to Target for 12 miles for $12. Like, these are not things that are gonna happen. So it's a DoorDash day. I guess I'll feel like one of you yuppie platinum dashers who takes these orders all the time. Let's go back to Starbucks, I guess. And I'm not roasting the platinum dashers who take these orders all the time.
Why you always lying?
Even though I kind of am. I don't know why. I can't believe I just took a $5 order, but let's go.
Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time.
Back-to-back Starbucks orders that are ready. I'm gonna go buy a scratch ticket later. Yeah, so this is going to like a call center, which is literally 3/4 of a mile away. So let's go get it. All right, so I kind of got a little clip. Lady was waiting outside of whatever building she works at, so I didn't even have to get out of the car. So a perfect order. But while we were driving, we took this Spark order. It's been sitting for like, I don't know, 15 minutes. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I guess I'll find out. It's only 7 items, and they're all like basic grocery items. About a mile and 1.7 miles. It came up at like, I don't know, 14 bucks, but it surged up to 18. So, you know, it's gonna be a slow and steady wins the race kind of day. It doesn't look like we're getting any bangers today, so we're chugging it out. You know, getting decent, low paying, but low miles orders. So we're basically at Walmart. We're, you know, just gonna hop, skip, and jump across the highway to get there. But yeah, no bangers, but the wheels are moving. So let's go do some shopping. All right, so that order took a lot longer than I thought. It was an entire 11 minutes of shopping time, which, oh my God, 11 minutes of shopping time. You're a little priss, Corey, but that is an order for 7 items. I should have been in and out of there in 2 minutes, but she wanted this yuppie bread and they didn't have it. So I was trying to find a different replacement, and I used the chat, and this is something that I know a lot of people will argue me on, like, you're not supposed to use the chat. And you know, I feel personally everyone has their own little strategies on what they can do to raise their tip or to get better ratings, and for me, using the chat is a good way to do it. Show the customer you care and that you're not just one of the Vinnies out there who doesn't know what he's doing and just half-asses it. You know, if you actually pretend to care and actually care, it can be prosperous for you. So it might have held me up, but whatever. It's still a half-hour trip all in and out. I left DoorDash on the whole time. I didn't get a single chime while I was in the store, so that's not a good sign. But either way, 4 minutes away, let's go. In the era of having this timer on a DoorDash screen, this is the longest I have ever seen for an estimated wait time. I don't know if any of you guys could beat that, but I have never seen 20 to 30 minutes. I've seen 7 to 17. I think the most I ever saw was like 17 to 23 minutes. I have never seen 20 to 30 minutes. So rip me making any money, but hopefully the Spark gods or Uber gods or some gods will save us today. But I'm not very optimistic, so we'll chime in when we get something else. Well, like I said, it's another slow and steady wins the race day. 18 bucks, 2.5 miles, 14 items. Again, DoorDash, we're at that 20 to 30. We ain't getting anything on there, so we're gonna bang this out. I'm not gonna record any of it. I just need to get moving, because if we're gonna be doing these slow orders, these small orders today, we gotta work at a super rate. So we're just gonna bang this out as fast as possible, and we'll take you for the ride. So we are in the car. We are headed to the customer, of which is only 5 minutes away from us, so that's pretty good. More substitutions. They did not stock the produce aisle, so I had to reject like 3 items, and I tried to substitute and she rejected 2 of them. It's a low tip, so the worst case scenario is I lose like $2, but either way, let's keep going. I still have DoorDash on, and I still have yet to get an offer, so that 20 to 30 minutes is pretty accurate. So all right, let's go to the customer's house. All right, after dropping that order off, we just got ourselves a DoorDash order here for Jersey Mike's. I didn't get a screenshot because I suck. Now what's this? Uber's trying to come through. I can't stack that. One's going west, one's going north. There's a good Uber Starbucks order, but there's no way to stack it. But either way, we got like 10 for 4 for Jersey Mike's. It's early, so it's probably ready. All right, let's go pick it up. I think we're gonna be struggling to hit the century mark here before noon, but I got hope. Let's go.
Things that bother you never bother me. I feel happy and fine. Ha ha! Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time.
I believe there's
About a 3-minute wait or so in Jersey Mike's. Nothing that would make the world catch on fire, but we got about 9 minutes to the customer. We're closing in on lunch, so this is the time when grocery is gonna die off, so it's gonna be food or bust at this point. And it seems like it might be bust because it's really, really slow. I don't have the vibes that it's gonna pick up, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong, and I hope I'm wrong. All right, but let's go drop this off. All right, just dropped off that Jersey Mike's. I had the camera, I was ready to walk, and then the guy met me right at the door and caught me completely by surprise. So, didn't get any footage of that, but we just got booted off of DoorDash. We will get started back up in 15 minutes though, so we're just gonna take this chance, get something to eat. I'm starving. And again, we're not getting anything on Walmart. All right, we're about to wrap this up though, so I'll keep you updated, and we'll see what happens, guys. But I think we're on the waning stages of this morning shift. All right, guys, we're gonna call it here. I just picked up this Five Guys order, pretty good one. We're just gonna finish this up. Maybe we'll come out later for the second half of the day, but this is our final take for the day. For a Saturday, that's pretty disappointing, but you know, we didn't drive a lot of miles for it, so I guess it wasn't too bad. We did break 100 subscribers, very, very small milestones, but we got to start somewhere. So keep like, share, subscribe, comment, all that stuff, and we'll bring you along for another ride along soon. Corey out.